Okay, and the jumpers are away, and Tico Airshow 2013 is officially open. Now you can see our two jumpers, flag jumpers, and Mike Goulian doing his thing, circling around them as they descend. And we're going to see how close they can come to the target in the middle of the airfield. We've got a orange smoke going, and that's so they can see where they're aiming for, as well as a orange windsock straight out, wind out of the east. And they'll actually land those parachutes just like you would land an airplane into the wind. Good stiff wind at 4,000 or 5,000 feet. Good wind here on the ground level, as you know, and it's even stiffer up there. And there's two jumpers, two of them. You can see that American flag has been deployed. I'll tell you, we are proud to be Americans, aren't we? As soon as he's down, jump number 2, 4, 5, maybe 6 jumpers.
Are they coming down? Yeah. They're coming down.
All right, then get ready for that treat I told you about, our national anthem, Teresa Eamon. Everyone, please rise and remove your cover.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets' red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
Fantastic, Teresa. Thank you, Teresa.